If you have a puppy, then you know that potty pads are a necessity, but your pup won't know how to use them right off the bat. So, let's learn to train your pup with potty pads. I got my pad, my spray, and my holder. First, grab some potty pads and a puppy pad holder. Put the pad in the holder and then place it a few feet from his bed. The holder will help keep the pad from moving or folding over as your pup uses it. Second, familiarize your pup with the potty pad. Puppies will want to potty right after they wake up, after they eat, and after they play. When it's time for them to potty, bring them to the pad. While going, give them a command like, "Go potty," and reward them with praise once the duty is done. Third, if he goes potty elsewhere, immediately bring him to the pad. Say "Go potty" and provide praise. This will encourage him to go potty in that spot. If he's having trouble finding it, you can spray the pad with puppy training spray. This will entice him to potty on it. Fourth, gradually move the pad outdoors. Slowly move it towards your door first, then bring it outside. Once the pad is on the grass, your pup should adjust to potting on the ground with ease. This process could take a few days to a few weeks, depending on your pup. Just be patient and give lots of praise. Good dog. I'm Chelsea, and that's how to train your pup to use a potty pad.
Sugar, come here. Come here. Come. Come here. Sit. Pee-pee. 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 Giga, Giga, sugar, Giga, Giga, Giga.
Fourth, gradually move the pad outdoors. Slowly move it towards your door first, then bring it outside. Once the pad is on the grass, your pup should adjust to potting on the ground with ease. This process could take a few days to a few weeks, depending on your pup. Just be patient and give lots of praise. Good dog. I'm Chelsea, and that's how to train your pup to use a potty pad.
Sugar, come here. Come here. Come. Come here. Sit. Pee-pee. 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 Giga, Giga, sugar, Giga.